guys, welcome back to another year. It's that time again. It is week 1 of the 12 fiber gifts that we do every year. So this is the inaugural week this year, 2023 of course. So this one is especially exciting. I'm just gonna, very elegant, show you what I've done. Yay! So I have created a kit for you guys and I hope you really enjoy it. This is a felting kit. So the first thing I ever did when I got into woolery was felting. So this was a really exciting thing for me to sit down and kind of do and put together. So this is a whole kit. Of course, I have my little ornaments here. These are the finished ones I made. Let me show you the kit itself. Yay! You can kind of see it through the window there. We'll take some better pictures for you up close. But it is just a whole felting kit in here for you. It's going to include everything that you need. So it is going to have 3 of the dryer balls here, which is so funny. You can make all kinds of stuff out of dryer balls, but ornaments is one of them. They're a lot lighter than they look. And then it's going to have a little pack of stuff in here. Let me just bust it open really quick. Little pack of stuff in here. It says 7 colors of Corriedale, dyed Corriedale, and this is really nice to work with. It felts really wonderfully. And then we also have needles for you, so 1 needle per ball. I do want to make a note about this particular kit that it is kind of like a beginner plus sort of thing. So maybe not the first thing that you do ever if you're a felter, but if you've done at least 1 or 2 things before, you'll be totally fine to get this going. It's just a little bit more interesting, I guess, than your typical beginner kit, I would say. And also these dryer balls are really hard, like dense, so you want to take special care to make sure that you're not being really aggressive with your needling like I was when I was making them, or you might break needles, which is no good. So just take care and you'll have a lot of fun. But yeah, got these little guys with the little baubles on them, and then you've got this guy. This one's my favorite, I think. It turned out super nice. And then we've got this guy, which is nice and simple and just kind of classic. And then you have plenty of wool in here. Honestly, if you want to like even cover one of these and make it like a colorful ball, you could probably do that. But we'll leave that up to you as far as what you want to do. You don't have to follow my designs if you don't want to. You can make it into anything that you want. But yeah, that is going to go on sale on the 13th of October. And it is going to be $29.99, which is a great number. So check it out if you want to do those.